Manufacturing industries require precise overtime calculations, automated shift handling and accurate attendance. An HRMS software is the perfect companion to undertake these tasks. Introducing Pocket HRMS, a comprehensive HRMS solution that utilizes advanced technologies like AI and ML to automate your HR team's administrative tasks and effectively engage your workers. Pocket HRMS is developed as an all-in-one solution to combat various workforce management issues. Let us discuss the common HR challenges in your industry to understand the requirement of an HRMS solution. A major issue is disengaged employees who have lost interest in their monotonous jobs. Other issues include finding young and talented staff and retaining them. Workplace safety concerns, veteran manual workers, and failure to meet deadlines are some of the challenges that HRs have to face in the manufacturing industry. Our Pocket HRMS streamlines the entire employee management process while making it effortless for your HR team with innovative features such as SMHRT shift scheduling, that enables bulk scheduling of laborer shifts. You can also manage huge number of employees effortlessly with comprehensive database management options. Our software also provides highly flexible compliant payroll options that streamlines the entire salary process. With a dedicated mobile app, your employees can reach you anytime, anywhere. Pocket HRMS also has in-depth insight and analytics that helps generate custom reports and provides real-time organization information. Finally, with simplified integrations, you can easily integrate our HRMS with your existing ERP or CRM solutions. We hope this video has helped you realize the importance of implementing HRMS software in the manufacturing industry. For more such informative content, subscribe to Pocket HRMS.